In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage employee onboarding in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable workflow that keeps new hires on track and saves your HR team time. First, create a dedicated space for your HR work. In ClickUp, go to Spaces and select Create Space. Then name it HR Onboarding. Set permissions so only HR or managers can edit onboarding tasks, while team members can view their own checklists. This keeps sensitive workflows secure, but still lets new hires see exactly what they need to do. Inside that space, create a folder called Employee Onboarding. Think of this as the container for every onboarding checklist you'll build going forward. It centralizes everything, so you aren't hunting across multiple projects. Next, create a new list for each new hire or for each role. If onboarding varies by person, use the new hire's name for the list. If several people follow the same steps, name it by role, like software engineer onboarding, and duplicate it for each person as needed. This makes scaling simple and keeps consistency across your process. Open a list and add tasks for each step in the onboarding journey. Typical tasks include completing HR paperwork, setting up a company email, creating software accounts, scheduling team introductions, completing training modules, and reviewing company policies. Keep task names short and action-oriented so they're easy to scan. Within each task, use checklists to break work into smaller steps. For example, in a paperwork task, include items like filling out tax forms, uploading identification, signing the NDA, and submitting emergency contact information. Checklists make progress visible and prevent small but important steps from slipping through the cracks. Assign each task to the right person, either the new hire or the HR or IT team member responsible, and add due dates to keep the timeline moving. Due dates help you spot bottlenecks early and ensure a smooth first week. If you want more structure, add custom fields such as start date, manager, department, and a completion indicator. These fields make reporting and filtering much easier as your hiring volume grows. You can track progress with different views. Use List View for a detailed overview, Board View to move tasks from not started to in progress to completed, and Calendar View to visualize deadlines. For a high-level snapshot across multiple hires, create a dashboard to monitor overall completion. By the way, you'll find the official ClickUp link at the very top of the description so you can sign in or download the app. After each onboarding, review what worked, gather feedback, and refine your tasks or checklists. Small improvements add up to a smoother experience for every new hire. Thanks for watching.